Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasishtha from Cadnest Baswanagudi. So welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about scenario manager and data table. So it comes under what if analysis. So first let's get to know about scenario manager. So it's about if we buy 120 books for about 40% discount. So here we have to find the calculation, like if we purchase 120 books, so select this 120 cell, so into this 40%, so what happens? 48. So if a single book costs us 48 rupees, then what's the cost of 52 rupees? Let's find about that. Before that, we had to take is equal to and select this 120 cell, so minus 48. So if a single book price is 48 rupees, then what is the cost of 52 books? If a book cost is 72 rupees, then what's the cost of 45 books? So this is what we have to find here. So take is equal to and select this 48 rupees cell, so into this 52. Here we got some particular value. In the same way, is equal to 72 into 45. Enter. So is equal to, we have to select this cell plus this cell. Enter. So if we want to find the scenario manager, we have to place the cursor on this 40% cell. Then go for what if analysis. In what if analysis, scenario manager. Here we get the options like add. So here we have to add. So under this scenario name, we have to mention in terms of percentage. Mention it as 40%. Okay. So here in scenario values, we have to mention in decimal form. So again add 50%. So okay, here we have to mention in terms of decimal 0.5. So 60%. Okay, in terms of 0.6. Okay. So at last we have to choose this summary, and the result cell should be this total cell. At lastly we have to give OK, so that it displays the scenario summary here. So for 40% the cost is 5736, and for 50% the cost is 5820, and for 60% the cost is 5904. So here let's find how to do the data. So before doing data, we have to mention the values in terms of percentage, like for 40%, 50%, 60% and 70%. So this cell we have to leave the blank, and here mention the value sequentially. Take any values, it might be 21, 22, 23, 24. So after mentioning all these values, click on this blank cell and give is equal to and choose this total cell. Finally give enter. It displays some value here, the total value we get it here. So choose this entire table, and then in what if analysis choose data table. So in place of row input cell, we have to choose this percentage. So in place of this column input cell, we have to choose this 72. Okay. So it's displayed some value here, right? So this is how we will learn scenario manager and data table under what if analysis. I hope you all enjoyed my session. Thank you so much.